You feel good about this?
Hell yeah. I'm starving, so that means good. Wait, what's the rules? What's the rules?
Rules, no eating with your hands, buddy. If you take that wrong, take that hand off. You're going to get a filthy. Whoever gets to the 10 first.
How much? How much 10? Okay. Like all the 10?
Guys, as soon as I blow the whistle, I want you to start eating, all right? All right, folks. Let's keep them running. Root them all right? Here we go. 1, 2. Go, go, go. Come on, cheer them on, folks. Get in there, Bill, get in there. Good night. Is he eating or what? This guy, well, he is actually reeling that pie. Keep them going, folks. Come on, here we go. Come on, give us some energy. Let's go.
Yeah, come on, get your face in that ball, Bill. Come on, boy. Hey.
You're down to the 10 right here. We got one down to the 10 here. Gotta keep going, keep going, keep going. Right here, guys. Oh, that's good. Folks, we're going to need some garbage cans, and you folks can clear out when they get done. It's going to be ugly.
Yeah!
Go, Jesse, go!
You're winning, Jesse. You're winning. Jesse, come on.
Jesse, you got to get it, buddy. Jesse, how about cheating, Jesse? Come on right there, a high-skilled cheater.
That's your second win, Jesse.
Come on, guys. Keep going.